Alright, so magandang hapon sa ating lahat. Yun, hello, ayan, hello, ayan, mic test. Nakikisama ang panahon, no, kanina maabon-abon, pero rain or shine, we are going to settle and celebrate this day as we end our Mathematics Month celebration with this fashion show, Mr. and Miss Mathways 2026.
Of the infinite knowledge.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Juan Romanes, and from 9th Agnes.
Good evening, I'm City Francisco, and I am bountifulness. My motto is, solve now, cry later.
My motto is, ang laban na tatapos ang
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kobe Salud Claro, representing our section at grade 9 Bisdones. And my motto is, Creation man ay para isipan, sisipag at saga, sagot ay makakapag.
Once again, my benevolentness. I'm Cheska Nicole D. Gambuat, representing 9 Benevolentness, and I believe math gives us hope by teaching us that even the hardest problems can be solved by patience and effort.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Mario Julian Medalla, representing 9 Benevolentines. I believe that mistakes are not failures, but opportunities to learn, grow, and succeed. And I thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. And I am Christine G. Miranda, proud to represent our section 9 Accurateness. And I believe that math may not teach us how to add love or subtract, but it gives us hope and motivation to all humans that never ends. And I think
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Miguel Barrera, and I represent Accurateness. I believe that math is the language of learning, and I thank you.
Once again, grade 9 proudness.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Samantha Faith, a Molar of Simmer, representing 9 Proudness. And I believe that if there's a problem, there's a solution.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ezra Jacob Timangao, representing 9 Calmness, and my motto is, just do your best and God will do the rest.
Good day, everyone. My name is Yulbel Lexi Utar, representing 9 Awesomeness. And I believe that life is just a math problem. Every problem has a solution.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ansari Nasiratin, representing 9 Awesomeness. My motto is, why do you need to pass the exam if you can pass only? Once again,
Our Mr.
For now!
Mas gusto ko to.
Bibigay po kami ng mga solusyon or lunas para sa mga problema ng mag-asawa.
Mag-asawa kami ngayon.
Ayan ka na.